The barangay is the smallest political unit in the Philippines. Each municipality or city is therefore made up of barangays. The barangay government unit is composed of elective officials called the punong barangay, who is the chief executive. The sangguniang barangay members, also called kagawads, and the sangguniang kabataan chairman. The appointive officials are the barangay secretary, the barangay treasurer, the members of the lupong tagapamayapa, and the barangay tanods. The primary requisite for the creation of a barangay is a population of at least 2,000. But for highly urbanized cities, a minimum of 5,000 inhabitants is required. The creation of a barangay is done by law or an ordinance of the Sangguniang Panlalawigan or Sangguniang Panlungsod and has to be ratified by the voting population through a plebiscite. With regard to the latest 2020 population, the three barangays with the biggest number of inhabitants in descending order are Barangay 176 in Caloocan, Barangay Commonwealth in Quezon City, and Barangay Batasan Hills in Quezon City. Those with the smallest number, excluding those with a population of 0, also in descending order are Fugu in Gataran, Buena Vista in Dagami, and Barangay 76 in Caloocan. As of 2021, there are 42,046 barangays in the Philippines. Ranking all the local government units in descending order, the three provinces with the highest number of barangays are Iloilo, Leyte, and Pangasinan. And those with the lowest number are Batanes, Camiguin, and Guimaras. The cities with the biggest total number of barangays are Manila, Pasay, and Caloocan. And those with the smallest numbers are Muntinlupa, Calaon, and Trece Martires. Among the municipalities, Miagao in Iloilo, Lopez in Quezon Province, Leon in Iloilo, and San Joaquin in Iloilo had the highest number of barangays, while Kalayaan in Palawan, Adams in Ilocos Norte, and Turtle Islands in Tawi-Tawi had the lowest. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.